Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find the PDC, the power distribution control module fuse, also known as AUX fuse on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, any parts, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can also see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the AUX PDC fuse relay, let's explain what you can find, and we will demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee guys right here. So what we guys need to do now, a quick advice, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel guys. Check it out, it's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Our subscribers told us it's a video saved them a lot of money and headache as well. Lucky for us, we need to open the hood. We'll be working a fuse box that most people know, but that fuse is something that most people actually don't even know where to look for. That's your engine. On the right side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, that's on the driver's side, lift it up, and you're going to find guys underneath a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here what we need to check guys, that needs to be quite solid and big fuse, but the biggest fuse that we have here is 50 amp fuses, so it will not be this. People will look at the fuses and practically not even suspect anything, because here you're going to have some cables. But actually guys, these 5 things, those are mega fuses. Now, if you see, they have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuse number 2 guys, right here, that's the PDC fuse that you will need to check guys. That's very important fuse. Now we don't have a relay, you have only that fuse, that's known as a relay fuse. Unfortunately, if it goes bad, you have to replace the mega fuse block. It's not very expensive, not hard to do. We'll have a video on the channel how to do that. We'll make one very soon, but that fuse number 2 is the one that you need to check. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.